Good morning. My name is Elizabeth Hendally, and I am a student in Google and Udacity's 2018 cohort for Android Basics. I am uploading instructional videos concerning my first Android project, a happy birthday card. This is the initial sketch of this birthday card. As you can see, it's a very simple sketch. My main purpose in creating the sketch was to help me identify the views that I would utilize. As you can see, there's one image view and several uniquely placed text views. Additionally, I have opted to create a Pastor's Appreciation Day card as opposed to a happy birthday card. So as you can see, the name of my pastor, along with the caption, Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day, is located at the top of the application. Those squiggly lines are a representation of a photo that I will utilize of my pastor, which I'm going to download from the internet. Because I work in the media department of our church, I have opted to include some contact information on this design so that it can be utilized in other settings. This is the code in XML and the preview of the card. As you can see, we've utilized relative layout. I had quite a bit of trouble on the picture because I wanted it positioned on the right side of the page. I found out later, and you'll see in the final code, that I had to change the image because when I put it on my device, it was very blurry. And so to minimize the blur, I opted to do 900 dp instead of doing a wrap content, which made the picture very small, or a match parent, or stretching the picture with center crop because it made it very blurry. So I do second the instruction that we received on Udacity to always look at your output on an actual device, because when I look at it on my device, it looks much lower quality than it looks here in the preview pane. That is, the image is much lower quality. So we have here the Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day, and I opted to name the app that because I realized that whatever name I gave the application, it was going to show up on the title bar. So I named it Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day instead of naming it Happy Birthday, so that Happy Birthday wouldn't show up at the top of the card. The text is very straightforward, and I placed my pastor's name, Dr. Apostle Patty McTucker, on the line below the opening text, which is "We thank God for you," period. If you'll see at the bottom, the next thing that I did was to position a Facebook and a Twitter icon because, as I mentioned before, I work in the media department and we want to be able to update this app to use it as a welcome to church app or an information card about the services that the church offers. So I wanted to direct people to the Facebook page and to the Twitter page. I also included, because the church has several websites, I included those website links. They're very small on the preview, so you can see them a little larger here. And those, I was mostly concerned with the layout when you look at contact information. Although it says that the size is too small, I opted to put it that way because overall, at a glance, it looks more balanced and more polished in the final application. I really like how the Facebook icon and the Twitter icon kind of made it pop and added a little more visual interest. That was a very pleasant surprise for me, and it's something that I will be utilizing as far as well-defined icons to add visual interest more than just standard images and text boxes. As I mentioned before, one change that I will be making is to find another image. It will be the same picture, but I need a better copy.